we even in Thailand in the first place?
So we're on our way to a cooking class. I've never done Airbnb Experiences, but that's how we found it. So it's a Thai chef. She's been a chef for like 7 years, and it's a private class, and we go to the market, and then we go and cook like 4 dishes, a starter, a couple entrees, and then dessert. So yeah, we're gonna cook the menu and hopefully obviously eat the menu.
If you start to pick some vegetable for spring rolls.
Pick the vegetables for spring rolls.
So main ingredients we add grass noodle,
What is that?
grass noodle,
Glass noodle, yeah.
Yeah.
and then we add this one bean sprout, cashew nut. We add capsicum. We add all 3 colors. And chai we add in pad thai for stir fry. So this very sweet, and this you come in the right season. So in summer we have a lot of fruit in Thailand. So very Thai is rambutan.
Yeah, I love it. Yeah.
This is queen of a bit hard. This one look very like yellow. This one more pale color, you see?
Oh, okay. And just eat it?
Yeah. So be careful, they have the black seed,
Yeah.
so use it later.
Okay. It's not as sweet.
Sweet flavor. You wanna do swimming trap? Then they add which one you want to try?
It is unrefrigerated
know.
sushi. Say
So the
goodbye.
feeling that one. So preserved radish, peanut, palm sugar. So when we eat it, we dip a little bit of garlic, fried garlic, and then we eat with chili, a little bit of chili and coriander leaves.
Was it spicy?
Very spicy. So you just maybe just
Yeah. Come on, YouTube famous.
It's good.
You like it?
I like it.
I like it.
Mung bean, the mung bean.
Oh,
paste.
mung bean, not mango. I was like, mango, yum.
This one sweet potato deep fried.
So this is like donuts?
Yeah, like donuts.
Fried dough with glaze.
It's like sort of like an elephant ear, like but a little denser. But yeah, a little denser. But then the sugar is not as like harsh as just regular sugar.
So I'm trying one with mung bean inside of it. So it's still the same donut, but with mung bean. Alright, it's very much like an elephant ear, but a little bit more dense. And mung bean's kind of subtle, so I don't really know.
Let me see the middle. Like, what color is it?
So we've obviously been eating a lot of things here, and all of the food has been delicious and very fresh. We've also had some Italian mixed in, which has been a wonderful treat. But getting to actually cook some of the Thai food and learning some of their techniques will be nice in case you want to go home and cook it there too.
Oh, like this.
So for mango sticky rice for the dessert, we use this one sticky rice. Before using, we need to soak in water at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. If you don't soak it when you steam, some part gonna cook and some part gonna raw. So we need to soak it. And then after this, we're gonna clean it until the water is clear. So to remove starch from the rice, we're gonna clean it. So we're gonna clean over there.
I can clean it, I'm good at cleaning. Leave it alone.
And then you use finger to clean it gently.
Put it in here?
Yeah. And then water.
Do you want me to, make
Yeah.
it flat?
So you add water and then you can make it evenly. See, very creamy. And this sugar and sea salt and pandan leaf. This one I make the tea for you.
What kind of leaf?
Pandan leaf. Yeah, so this one can give aroma to the sticky rice, and we also squeeze the juice to make the dumpling and Thai dessert look green.
Okay.
Okay, so the most important thing for the mango sticky rice, you have to make sure the rice is cooked and the sauce is hot. They're gonna combine well together, so the rice gonna absorb the sauce well. So when the rice is cooked, we're gonna come back to make the sauce. So for the bean sprout, we're gonna take this part off like this, like everything.
So it's just a stem.
Yeah. And then we're gonna add cooking oil, 1 tablespoon first.
Oh.
It came out fast. I think that's in it. It's okay, right?
And then you stir until fragrant, and then we're gonna add chicken. Okay. Keep going.
That's beautiful. Look how fresh those bean sprouts are.
I'll tell you to stop.
Okay. It's just gonna have a lot of flavor, okay?
And then sugar. Now I'm gonna add the rest of ingredients, and then turn to high heat again and keep stirring. And half tablespoon. So this. Yeah. So we start with fish sauce, tamarind paste, and coconut sugar. You can taste it. It tastes like caramel.
Ooh.
Coconut?
Yeah, coconut sugar.
Good.
Mmm.
Yeah.
Wow.
We add in Thai curry as well, like red curry.
It tastes
and
like
green
brown
curry.
sugar.
So make sure sugar will dissolve and chili paste mix well.
Is it on the side, you said?
Yeah. First thing you're gonna add is onion and bell pepper. And we're gonna fry it until it's onion become clear and all the pepper soft. And then you're gonna add garlic.
I'm loving it already.
When you smell the garlic, you can add all the ingredients and then chicken. And then you're gonna add the sauce. And chicken. And then
And the chicken?
Yeah, and then you're gonna add the sauce. That would be
Oh gosh.
Wow. You can like just taste how fresh it is. Like there's no question about it, you know?
Then you're gonna add the filling.
Sure.
And then
Restaurant is filled
we will
with
roll like
cabbage.
this. And then we pull, to make it tight.
Mhm.
And then you roll it. And then I'm gonna make the glue from the egg.
So glue, you're gonna
Yeah.
make glue. Voila.
Now your turn.
Voila.
Did you roll this
The
way?
big fat one's mine.
Did you roll?
And this one take away everything.
Which
It's
sauce
so
is it?
fresh
This one is yours.
and so flavorful. I'm doing both sauces. You can taste every ingredient. It is delicious. This is the best experience ever. And now we're moving on to the third course, pad thai.
Then we're gonna cut tofu into small cubes. But they fermented with salt and give salty taste to the pad thai.
Did you ever use salt, or you use salty foods?
In the fish sauce, we
Yeah.
already add salt in it.
Yeah, and the soy sauce. Like, so it seems like you just not, you don't add salt. You have salty things.
You can help me to add 5 of this. 5 of this. 5.
Five?
Yeah, 5. So when we stir fry, we need to add a little of water to make it a soft pickle. Now I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of oil. First thing I'm gonna add is tofu. And when the cheese like half cooked, I'm gonna add egg. So I'm gonna put all the ingredients to other side. And then I'm gonna crack the egg and put here. And then crack the egg and make like scramble. So keep stirring, make sure all the vegetables is cooked and soft, then you can turn off the heat. So fry tofu until it's golden brown.
Is it shallot and shrimp at the same time?
Add more. See? 1, 2. You can add all the ingredients except the garnish.
Edit everything except what?
The garnish one.
The garnish.
It's too pretty to eat.
You having fun today?
Oh my gosh.
I can't believe I made something so beautiful.
I am too.
Nice. I like it. I want more of that.
It's like a balanced spice.
Yummy.
The sweet, and this
It's nice.
isn't really sweet.
It's wonderful, isn't it?
Wow.
Come from like Rawai is very far away and you choose to
Oh
study
yeah.
with me. I'm so
It
glad.
was worth the
Yeah.
trip.
It was right.
We'll be back next time we come.
You probably can't see me, but we are leaving with a lot of leftovers. Oh, our little welcome committee. Our welcome committee.